Hi there friends, it's been about 2-3 weeks I've come with a full length video for you all. But friends, I would like to tell you there was a genuine reason behind it because I was busy conducting an eco-orientation workshop meant specially for children. What was it, how did it go, and everything in between is in this video. Stay with me till the end and I will give you a glimpse of the 1.5-month journey I went through in creating this workshop for the children. The name of the workshop was Eco and Act, which can be pronounced as Econnect, basically saying that we should act to connect with our environment for a better life. What is better life meaning here? A life in which we are living without no chemicals in food, clean drinking water, clean air, cleaner surroundings, and a predictable weather. We deserve the better life, and so do our children. The main aim of this workshop was to make our children the solution provider themselves, to put them in the driving seat so that they can learn, act, and earn all through green endeavors. So friends, it started with a brainstorming session with my eco-conscious friends. I'd like to name them Srija, Ritu, Thomas Uncle, Archana and Meenakshi. Meenakshi was with me throughout this journey. After several visits to several places and to people and these sessions, I could zero in a set of items for the package for this workshop. I wanted it to be interactive and hands-on. My husband, who is not a believer in eco-orientation, at least till now, still he helped me with certain innovative ideas like taking the children to a visit to a waste management plant, which we actually did. So coming to the content of this workshop, the focus of it was managing waste for cleaner surroundings, clean water, clean air. The first thing that we did in this workshop was that we took children to a visit to the Technopark solid waste management plant. Technopark is a IT hub in the city of Thiruvananthapuram, which houses about 60,000 employees. I have made a separate video of this waste management plant, the link to which you would see here. And in the main workshop, there were 3 specific segments. One was the advanced, that is multi-level segregation of dry waste by the children themselves. Second was the gift wrapping session, to upcycle the normally waste items of our home to create gift wraps. And the third was the highlight, and that was a basic composting exercise followed by mini gardening. Here one thing that was important to note is that the planters that we used were the food packaging wrappers that we get at home, which is number 7 and non-recyclable. So this way we reuse them as planters. And then of course there was an eco quiz in the platform Kahoot, which children enjoyed, which helped them get into the eco groove. The first question comes to your screen. Which of these form our natural environment? The team talk time. See the questions. Is it air, water, animals, or all of the above? All of them. You have time, no need to. A very unique segment of this workshop was a talk from Zafar and Adira. They are the co-owners of Sanji Bag, that is an eco-friendly shopping destination in Thiruvananthapuram. So these green entrepreneurs told the children about how green business is becoming a thing of the future, and yes, what were the takeaways from their journey for the children. So today we have with us Zafar of Sanji Bags. He is the owner, and also we have Adira, his business partner and life partner. Today we are talking to children, okay, and they are children of the workshop Eco and Act. Right from gifts to the snacks, the idea was to eco-orient children in a fun and doable manner. The kids seemed to enjoy throughout the session, and their feedback is also coming out quite encouraging. The good thing about working with low waste, zero waste concept is that even the items that I used in the first session, I'm just packing off for the second session. Nothing goes waste. A special word of thanks to Minakshi, Adarsh and Ishan for volunteering for the event. My special thanks are due to Mr. Thomas Matthew, Miss Ritu Mohala and Zafar and Adira of Sanji Bags. If you like this video, please give a like. If you like the idea of conducting an eco-orientation workshop, please give a like. Please subscribe to my channel and come back for the next video, which will come very soon. Thank you. Happy New Year in advance. Bye. And go green to get green.